Alright, this is Buster, and I just found out Buster likes to play with toys. I fostered him overnight. You ready, honey? Okay, you ready? Go get it. Go get it. He'll come back to me. Come here, yay! Look at his tail go. It goes all the time. Alright, let go. One more throw. You ready? Go get it. Go get it. Come on, handsome. Yay! What a good boy. He's really a good boy. Come here, sweetheart. Good boy. I don't think he really knows his name, but when I clap or tap my nails, he'll go and he'll come back to me. He's a very calm dog. He slept through the night. Here you go. Very good. Can I have it? Oh, good boy. And that tail of his goes and goes and goes. He's a happy boy, right? Buster, come here. Come. Come on. Yay! Hi, good boy.